My name is Amarnath and this is Rashmi, parent of Dhruti Rugvedi, grade 1. And I'm really wanting this to do for a long time, and thank you for providing us the opportunity. It's been, probably every parent's wish to get admitted or get their kid admitted for the great institutions. And it's been really good journey with Vriksha School. I would say there was nothing wrong with the previous institution, but we had to change for some reasons. And the real thing is when you get onto the online classes. We have seen plenty of times that when there are plenty of people in the school, like the kids, the number of kids are huge. Teachers often miss their concentrations. They lose their patience. But I'm glad the Vriksha School is not doing both the things. They have limited the number of kids onto the online schools as well. I mean, probably they have divided it and they have made very less numbers so that they can concentrate more on the kids. And they are very patient. The teachers are really patient, and they listen to each and every kid. That makes them wonder and really speak a lot. That is helping the kids to open up as well. That's the same thing with my kid as well. Earlier she was kind of like moving towards an introvert feeling. Right now she is opening up. She has that confidence to speak up. She is really happy to be at the school. Earlier it was possible that she really felt, should I really go to school, or it was difficult task for us to get her to the school, even attend the online classes as well. Now every day she wakes up with new energy, new feeling. She wants to listen to the teachers. She wants to speak to the teachers, interact with their friends and everything. So it's been really good journey so far. And now to miss speaking about the extracurricular activities. The Vriksha School is also engaged in shlokas, yoga, dance. Which is like apart from just studying, you guys are also it's something like apart from the studies, she's also learning about the other things, and she feels excited about those things. Just now when we entered, she was also asking about the dance, sir and other people. So it's really good that she is